It's really a moment of pride and honor for me to be here to represent the Indian film industry in its full glory. Like Anmol Bhai said, that I've been fortunate enough to be part of a family that's been contributing for 84 years now, and I hope I can carry this legacy forward with some respect, dignity, and some good work. It's also a privilege to be associated with Color Screen Awards, a platform that's been honoring professional, excellent, excellence in the Indian film industry, and I hope that this year also the Color Screen Awards reaches great heights. And congratulations on celebrating 19 years of Indian film industry. Thank you so much, and I also must congratulate Nitin Bhai for this wonderful honor that he gave Indian film industry. I think it's one of the most beautiful things I've seen for a long time now.
How special is Screen Awards to Ranbir Kapoor?
But बहुत ही special है, because I remember when I was a child, or जो screen का जो the paper used to come, I used to really look forward to that weekly paper, because सब the gossips and the rumors and industry में क्या हो रहा है, कौन क्या film कर रहा है, ये सब जानने का मौका मिलता था. And 5 years back, I got actually the Best Debut Award. Then they presented me the Best Actor Award last year. So it feels great, that it's a time when the entire film fraternity comes together to celebrate each other's work. And nothing better than Screen Awards, which, a platform which has so much of dignity, so much of, the jury members, the selecting process, everything comes with so much of thought, so much of love, so much of care, that it is really great to be part of such a platform. Because Hindi cinema is celebrating 100 years, so we all brainstormed and came with an idea to actually do some songs from my family, from Mr. Raj Kapoor to Mr. Shami Kapoor, Mr. Shashi Kapoor, my father, Mr. Rishi Kapoor, and then finally a song from Barfi. So we tried and conned my mother to do like a nice jig with me on stage on Parda Hai Parda and Ek Tu. So I hope I don't mess it up. I hope I'm sure she's going to steal the limelight because she's always been such a wonderful performer. I'm nervous, I'm excited, and I hope that the audience likes it.
रणवीर, आप 16 कैटेगरी में आपकी फिल्म नॉमिनेट हुई है बर्फी. इसके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप? कितने एक्साइटेड?
Well, हमने स्क्रीन और कार्लोस को बहुत बर्फियाँ भेजी थी to give us these nominations. But it feels great, more than actually winning an award. I feel so happy that a film like Barfi has been received so well by the audience. Made so much of money. It just gives us an incentive to do films that we believe in. Films with good stories. It gives actors gives me the confidence now to approach different characters, new characters, and not just play the same old conventional characters. And especially when a platform like Color Screen Awards honors it with so many nominations, it's only a pat on the back, and it's a reaffirmation that if you do things from an honest place, do things that you believe in, you will be successful. So I feel great that it's being honored.